can't climb.
Yeah, but we find out that this camp can't climb.
Yeah, me can't, every beast can climb. Poor Jasmine.
It's a church at the
Jasmine, make we go for one hill. You know, around and boat we have
to the mailbox.
Yo, Jasmine, and we are climb hill, do everything. Yeah, we're on a road trip today, and we're going to go pick some. We're going to a farm, so that way we are doing.
The mailbox are the middle of the road.
Yeah, we are going to bush.
With the bush here, you never just see what we
Yeah, we're gonna pick some.
I'm going to take some pretty pictures.
We went into some people yard and we do not know if they are ready.
Yeah, we
because
did.
some people who I said could not read GPS
just
could
follow the GPS, yeah.
Yeah, so we will get right back to you guys when we reach to the farm, okay? Thank you. Stay the struggles. That's her. Welcome to kadian Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica KD Vlog TV. Yeah, know my day off day chilling. Yeah, in our country for the first time. Yeah, chilling. Yeah, my day I chill. Yes. And I hope fit for the day. Vanessa, do this for me. Vanessa, just do this for me.
What's fix your face?
And Vanessa, I want to do the outfit for you. Will you put the camera for me?
Is it facing you?
No, use the back. No, do my camera side. Yeah, make me stop me look upside down all in that middle. This then I buy me a suit, right? For 21, $3 blouse, the pants. This is $6 for the pants, $6 for the pants. My bag, $10 for my bag. And my shoes, $5. And that's my outfit video. You know, two bungalow weave in my head. Yeah, 2 bungalow weave in my head. That's it.
And that's my car in the back.
Come over here.
Don't try. Like sign. Yeah. They're bush today. This is where we had today. Chilling. All that good thing. Yeah, see? See? Yeah. We are in the bush. We said we didn't pick apple, but we're not getting an apple picking yet, so we have wonder. See? We're there, so now apple. I don't really know, but yeah, this is what we're doing today. That's what I mean. The woman in, see? Yeah, that's what we're there today. Yeah. That's so.
The one you not gonna set me up. You said I go down there, I get it, I didn't get nothing but that sun burning me my back. Go down there, truck go hit me.
Yeah.
Turn in the corner and not see
7.
it, right? Yes. Yes. What's the signal there? If I'm going, you going too.